What's up, guys? It's Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas.
What's going on, guys? God bless you. This is Carlos with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. God bless you guys. Happy Friday. Man, I hope you guys are staying warm. We've had literally ice for the past 2 days. Today is a beautiful sunny day, but we have rain tomorrow. So I attempted to work this morning, but man, it just the weather was just not cooperating, to be honest. Stuff was freezing, so I decided just to call it a day and just reschedule the customers. You know, for those who ask, hey Carlos, how do you reschedule? You know, and when it comes to these types of scenarios, and one is you have to be very open with your customers. You have to be very transparent. And one is health, right? I can work in this type of weather, but my equipment just wasn't performing how it should. Some of the hoses were freezing up, so it's just not favorable to work in this type of weather. Right now it's like 31, but it feels like, I think it said like 25 or 24. So I look at more of the it feels like. That's really what I focus on. So we just rescheduled today's customer to a later date. Customer was perfectly fine with that. You know, he actually was like, well, hey, I appreciate you for coming out at least. So that's, sometimes it's better to show up, at least attempt it. And if it's not working, you know, you pull the plug early before your equipment messes up, and now you have to fix a busted hose or something like that. Now you're more behind than going forward, right? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the intro. The intro, my wife, she's funny, but she did really good on that intro. Let me know how she did. It was funny though, so my wife is probably gonna kill me when she sees this video anyways, because I put her on blast. But anyways, today's video, guys, I've had a lot of inquiries on wheel cleaner, or they've asked me, hey, how do you use your acid, right? So what we're going to be talking about today is the main product that I use almost all the time. This one is from Auto Beauty Products here in Dallas, it's Dallas, not Garland. I'll be posting a link down below of where you can go and buy this. They are local. They do all their products in-house. And this one I have really enjoyed because of the cleaning power. This one is obviously it says down here, it's an acid-based wheel cleaner. Mag aluminum, so I guess it's made for magnum wheels or aluminum wheels. And it's very potent, I will tell you that. One time, I accidentally spilled this on my chest. I don't know what I was doing. I think I had just bought it, and I was like, you know, let me see how it smells or something. And I don't know what happened, but long story short, the acid fell on my chest, on the clothes, and it went through my skin. And boy, I had it was burning. So wear gloves, be careful when using this product. But it works really well. You guys have seen maybe on Instagram a couple pictures of before and afters that I've used on wheels, and it does really well. It's a heavy duty concentrated acid-based cleaner formulated to clean and brighten aluminum and magnesium wheels. I like how it has your instructions. You know, always wear goggles if you want, or you can use it on chrome, magnesium, aluminum. And you know, always spray it in a cool surface. When they're hammered, I do straight, let it sit there for a little bit, and then rinse it off. But this, I have used it not just for cleaning wheels, right? And I know many people have said, you know, I'm scared to use acid on wheels. My honest opinion, or my honest suggestion, is get you go and find yourself a beat up wheel, you know, that if you want to buy one at the junkyard, and spray some of this so you can see how it works. Do that, or use it on your own vehicle. When you dilute it correctly, you shouldn't have any issues with staining and stuff like that. All right, but I just don't use this for wheels. I'm gonna show you guys really quick where I use this product, not just for wheels. I'm always thinking outside of the box, right? So let me show you guys really quick areas that I would use it. And I don't want to make this video long. Due to the weather, I'm not going to turn on my extractor, my pressure washer, I'm sorry, but I'll use it on your hoods. I'll literally spray this wheel cleaner all in there real good, like fully soak it, give it maybe like a quick 30 seconds. And sometimes I rarely do agitate because it is just so strong without agitation. So I would soak this really good, and then I'll come back with pressure and just pressure it off. I'll use it all on the metal of the engine, stuff like that, and it'll brighten it. Even in your like on the motor, you have all the, like, if you guys right in this area right, like all of this, I'll use that acid wheel. It'll clean it up nicely. You guys have seen, I'll use it on my hood, I'll use it wheels. Another place I love to use it, guys, and please pardon the mess I have in my truck, is door jambs. Obviously I've used them here, so it's not dirty, but when you're working with hammered door jambs, hinges, and all of this, I'll spray that acid wheel cleaner instead of like APC. I'll spray that acid wheel cleaner nicely and just let it dwell, and then I'll come back and pressure wash it off, and it cleans it times better than what it would with the APC. APC is, but you know, I'll still do it on both sides. As you can see, mine are clean. I clean them here and periodically using that acid wheel cleaner, and then just rinse it off. But I will use these when they're caked, like the oil and stuff is caked in there. I'll use it like no tomorrow on this, all the way to the sides and stuff like that. Another place I like to use it, guys, is going to be the gas tanks, right? These areas here, when you're working with some real hammered gas caps, this will be really dirty. All the metal in here is dirty, so I'll spray that acid, let it work in there, and then rinse it off. Or guys, those are to your exterior. All right, now have probably seen me recommended in some other phases and stuff, but if you're ever working on an interior that has like heavy staining, you can literally spray a little bit of this wheel cleaner on the stain, let it dwell, agitate, and extract. And sometimes this will also remove some heavy staining. I don't recommend it using it always, but in those times where push comes to shove, I have used an acid wheel cleaner on some stains, right? And rust stains as well. If you're working with rust stains, it'll alleviate them a little bit better than just like, you know, your regular upholstery cleaners. But definitely in Dallas, I think they have a website. I think they ship, I don't know, but I'll be posting the link down below of their products. If you live here in Dallas, hey, go grab you a bottle and test it out, and let me know what you guys think. If obviously you can buy any wheel acid and it's gonna work just as effective as this one will. This one here, it is very strong, probably one of the strongest acid wheel cleaners I have actually purchased. I learned my lesson the first time when it burned my whole skin, but it works. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great Friday, guys. A blessed weekend overall. Man, it is cold out here. Here's one downside to my motorcycle race. Also, there you go. So my scars open up and I start bleeding out of nowhere. But anyways, I don't want to make this video long. I hope you guys have a great weekend overall. I really do. I have some new products I'm going to be showcasing in the upcoming weeks. Hopefully this weather just kind of clears up, and March 25th through the 26th I'm going to be in at the detailing workshop. So if you haven't signed up for that class, hey, There is still time. There's some limited spots, I think, still. So if you've been thinking about getting a class in, definitely check them out. I'll post a link to the detailing workshop as well. For that 2-day event, I'm going to be flying out. I'm going to be leaving here the 24th of March to the detailing workshop, where I'm going to be showcasing a little bit of tips and tricks on interior cleaning. But anyways, God bless you guys. We'll see you guys hopefully in the next video.